Hello guys. So let's wait for a few more minutes for other to join. I think few people are joining.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and one more thing is I got a good response from you guys. You guys are sending the task very frequently. Seems very good. Thank you so much for the effort. Please continue with the same flow. Okay.
Yes,
Sure,
sir.
sir.
I mean today itself you guys are sending me more than 100 screenshots. That is so appreciated. Okay. Okay guys, shall we jump to the topic?
Yes, sir.
So far we have seen till robot class, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in robot class, we can also perform the send keys. Okay. For example, let
Sir,
me to.
sorry to interrupt, but can you give a small gist of yesterday's class?
Yeah, sure. Definitely. So you're asking about the robot class, right?
Yes, sir.
Just give me a minute. I'm just sharing my screen. Okay. So actually, we have seen these things to yesterday, right? The double click, how we can do the actions. Class double click, right click. And using the robot class, we have seen two methods. One is key press and key release. So whenever we need to press on one button, keyboard button, what are the methods we need to use? Guys, answer me.
Key press, sir. Robot
Keep
presses
press
and
and
key press method is from
period.
Okay, what are the methods we need to use? If, for example, I need to click on enter, keyboard enter. So what are the thing we need to do?
We have to first key press, then key release, and then
Yes or no? Yes, right? So whenever we
Yes, sir.
press on any keyboard button, first we will press and we will release. We will press and we will release, which means we need to press on the same key and we need to release on the same key. Okay, if we want to, if I want to click on the enter in the keyboard means I need to use robot dot key press key event vk enter as well as robot dot key release key event vk enter. I need to use same key for the press and release. Then only the key is clicked. Yes or no?
Yes,
Amavelia.
sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So here, just a minute. So here, see. So I'm just loading this page, okay? This is a create account page in Facebook. Okay. So see here, whenever you are opening Facebook and all, whenever you are opening the Facebook, the cursor is automatically in the first box, yes or no? See, I'm just reloading the page. So whenever we having the Facebook website open, the cursor is automatically in where? Automatically in
First text box. First text box.
email box. What I'm going to tell means we also perform the send keys using robot class. Okay. So I'm just copy the So what is the method to pass the URL?
Get.
Driver.get.
Driver.get.
Get.
Then URL.
Driver.get. Double click. Okay.
URL.
Okay.
Complete URL.
Control V. Okay. So after that, we need to maximize the window. Driver dot manage dot
Manage.
window
Window.
dot okay
Maximize.
maximize. Yes or no? Folks,
Yes, sir.
you guys understand, right?
Yes,
Yes,
So,
sir.
so once, yeah, I'm just, yes, tell me. Okay, now I'm running the website. So it will automatically launch the browser, enter the URL, and the page is open. The cursor is automatically in which text box? The cursor is
The
where?
first text
Email,
box.
username.
So if the that means we can perform the will perform when the cursor is present. And the cursor எங்க இருக்கோ அங்க தான் வந்து action perform பண்ணும். Okay, so where the cursor is present, there only the robot class will perform actions. So how we can create a robot class object?
Robot.
Robot. Okay.
Object space. Object name equal to.
Object name.
One second, guys. Okay. Robot.
Object name equal to.
Robot.
Equal to
New.
new robot.
New robot.
New robot. Okay. So here we need to do what? We need to move the cursor here and need to add the rows declaration. Clear? Any doubt?
No,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So see here. So in this box, I need to type 1, 2, 3. I need to type. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I need to type. So now tell me how many times I need to do key press and how many times I need to do key release.
6.
Three
Three
times.
times.
Yeah, three times key press and 3 times key release.
Key release.
So yeah, first use the robot class reference dot. We have one method, first key press, one method we have. First key press. Inside that we have static reference, I said, right? Key event we have. Yes or no? Key
Yes, sir.
event
Yes, sir.
Dot vk
key we
underscore
need to press now. One
VK.
we need to press, right?
vk
VK underscore see here. One.
1.
Click on that. Okay. So now I need to do what? I need to do key release. I need
Release.
to do. You can, yeah. For key release, you can just copy and change the press as release.
Release.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Release. So I'll run the program now. It is sending the value to the text box. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So wherever the mouse is present, okay, the mouse pointer is where the mouse pointer is present. In that place only the robot class perform any actions. Clear? So we can send, right? If the interviewer is asking, okay, if the interviewer is asking, what are the ways we can perform entering the value? What are the ways as of now we have seen? Send keys
Using for loop.
Send keys and robot.
class. Yeah. What are the methods? What are the ways we can send the values? First, we can use send keys, and we have robot class here. So we also have 2 more options that we will see in future classes. Okay. JavaScript, one topic we have. So using the JavaScript also we can send the values. Okay. That will be seen in the upcoming. So as of now, you need to understand one thing. So whenever you are performing the robot class, it will perform action where means where the cursor is present only the robot class will perform. Okay, any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Okay, I think this is all for the robot class. Okay, so see here, if I need to
சென்ட் கீழ வேல்யூ சென்ட் பண்ணும்போது ஒரு வாட்டி தானே சார் சென்ட் பண்ணுவோம்.
புரியல.
சென்ட் கீழ வேல்யூ சென்ட் பண்ணும்போது ஒரு வாட்டி தானே சார் வேல்யூ சென்ட் பண்ணுவோம்.
ஆமா.
ஸோ இதுல வந்து 2 டைம்ஸ் வந்து 1 கொடுத்தீங்க சார். ரிலீஸ்லயும்
அதுதான்
கொடுத்தீங்க.
இப்போ வந்து நம்ம கீபோர்ட் வேல்யூ தானே நம்ம பாஸ் பண்றோம். இப்போ கீபோர்ட்ல எஸ் நம்ம கிளிக் பண்ணா அங்க பிரிண்ட் ஆகும். ஏன்னா அங்க மவுஸ் பாயிண்டர் எங்க இருக்கு, ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா இங்க தான் இருக்கு. ஸோ கீபோர்ட்ல இப்படி நீங்க எஸ் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா கீபோர்ட்ல மேனுவலா ப்ரெஸ் பண்றேன் எஸ்ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அங்க வந்து ஒரு எஸ் பிரிண்ட் ஆகும். கரெக்டா? அப்ப நீங்க கீபோர்ட்ல ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணும்போது என்னென்ன பண்றீங்க, கீபோர்ட்ல கீயை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி ரிலீஸ் பண்றீங்க. இப்போ நீங்க ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தீங்கன்னா என்ன ஆகும், ரிலீஸ் பண்ற வரைக்கும் அது அப்படிதான் இருக்கும். ரிலீஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா தான் நிற்கும். கரெக்டா இல்லையா? இப்போ நீங்க ஒரே ஒரு எஸ் நீங்க பிரிண்ட் பண்ணணும், என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பீங்களா? இல்ல ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி ரிலீஸ் பண்ண மட்டும்தான் ஒரே ஒரு எஸ் பிரிண்ட் ஆகும். ஆமாவா இல்லையா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? So for that only, we are performing key press and key release. நம்ம ரெண்டு டைம் டிக்ளேர் பண்ணல, நம்ம கீ பிரஸ் ஒன் டைம் பண்றோம், அதே கீயை ரிலீஸ் பண்ணிடுறோம். கிளியர்?
கீ பிரஸ் கொடுத்து ரிலீஸ் இதை பண்ணிட்டு இது ரன் பண்ணி காமிங்க சார்.
புரியல என்ன சொல்றீங்க? கீ ரிலீஸ் இல்லாம ரன் பண்ணலாமான்னு கேக்குறீங்களா?
பண்ணுங்க சார்.
பண்ணா ஆக்சுவலா ஒர்க் ஆகாது. சி வெயிட். ஓகே, இப்போ வந்து இந்த இதை வந்து நம்ம கமெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? இப்போ நம்ம எஸ் பிரிண்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். எனக்கு இப்போ வந்து ஹெச்னு ஒன்று பிரிண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேங்களா? நான் சொல்ற கீ ரிலீஸ் பண்ணலன்னா என்ன டிஃபால்ட் ஆகும் நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன். ஓகே கைஸ், ஸோ நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இங்கே கீ ப்ரெஸ் மட்டும் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ஓகேங்களா? கீ ப்ரெஸ் எஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கோம், இங்கே கீ ப்ரெஸ் 2 கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ஓகேங்களா? பட் வென் எவர் வி ஆர் பர்ஃபார்மிங் கீ ரிலீஸ் நம்ம பர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும். வை? பிகாஸ் லெட்ஸ் ஷோ யூ. Okay, See here, whenever we press on the key, it will type the S and 2. That is what we have pressed, right? S and 2. So when I need to perform any other key after that to any other field, what we need to do? We need to click on tab as well, right? Yes or no? Let's assume I need to click on tab and I need to perform any keys in the password itself. Okay, in the password itself. In that case, I need to release those keys. Okay, நம்ம எதுக்காக ரிலீஸ் யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, இப்போ நீங்க அந்த ஒரே ஃபீல்ட்ல நீங்க வந்து பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்றீங்கன்னா நீங்க கீ பிரஸ் மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடலாம். பட் whenever you need to perform any other code after that means you need to do key release.
Yes sir. இன்னொரு டவுட் சார், நம்ம வந்து லொகேட்டர்ல வந்து நம்ம இது பண்ணும்போது டிரைவர் ஃபைன் பண்ணோம்ல சார், இதுல ரோபோட்டிக் நீங்க வந்து ஃபைன் பண்ணவே இல்லையா சார்?
ஏன்னா அது கீபோர்ட் ஆக்ஷன். இப்போ வந்து நீங்க லொகேட்டர்ஸ் ஏன் ஃபைன் பண்றீங்க அப்படின்னா, நீங்க வெப்சைட்ல ஒரு பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் வந்து பண்ண போறீங்க, இந்த எலமெண்ட்ல ஒரு பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் பண்ண போறீங்க. ஆக்சுவலா வந்து இந்த எலமெண்ட்ல ஃபைண்டே பண்ணாது ரோபோட் கிளாஸ் வந்து. ரோபோட் கிளாஸ் வந்து இந்த மவுஸ் பாயிண்டர் எங்க இருக்கோ அங்க ஆக்ஷன் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடும். கிளியர்? இந்த மவுஸ் பாயிண்டர் எங்க இருக்கோ அங்க வந்து அந்த ஆக்ஷன் வந்து பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், நீங்க அந்த இப்போ வந்து மவுஸ் பாயிண்டர் எங்கேயுமே இல்லை கரெக்டா. இப்போ நீங்க வந்து ரோபோட் கிளாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அப்போ வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒர்க் ஆகாது. இப்போ நான் ரெஃப்ரெஷ் பண்ற இந்த பேஜை பாருங்க, இந்த மவுஸ் பாயிண்டர் எங்க இருக்கு? இமெயில் என்ற பாக்ஸ்ல இருக்க மவுஸ் பாயிண்டர். ஸோ whenever you are performing any action using robot class, it will reflect only in the place of cursor. cursor எங்க இருக்கோ அங்கதான் வந்து ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகும். இப்போ நான் டேப்னு ஒன்று கிளிக் பண்ண வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், எங்க போகுது? பாஸ்வேர்ட் ஃபீல்டு போதா?
Next.
Yes or no? Yeah, then it will perform the actions in password field. If you click on tab, it will go to login button. So like that, it will perform only the keyboard actions. So நீங்க keyboard actions perform பண்றதுக்கு XPath no needed.
சார் ஆக்சுவலி இது இந்த பேஜ் ஓபன் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நம்ம ரன் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும் சார். ஏன்னா நம்ம பேஜ் ஓபன் ஆகிற வரை நம்மளோட இது மவுஸ் கர்சர் வந்து எங்கேயுமே இருக்காதுங்க.
ஆமா, அதுதான் நான் சொல்றேன். பேஜ் ஓபன் ஆகிற வரைக்கும் எங்கேயுமே இருக்காது. நான் இங்க பாருங்க, கோட்ல பாருங்க, நான் வந்து URL லான்ச் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ரோபோட் யூஸ் பண்றேன். அதுக்கு நான் ஃபர்ஸ்டே செக் பண்ணிருக்கணும் whether the cursor is there or not. ஓகே, நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்டே வெப்சைட்ல செக் பண்ணணும் கர்சர் வந்து எங்க இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. திருப்பி கூட உங்களுக்கு ஓபன் பண்ணி காட்டுறேன் பாருங்க. ஃபேஸ்புக்ன்ற ஒரு அப்ளிகேஷன் ஓபன் பண்றேன். ஓபன் பண்ணது கர்சர் எங்க இருக்கு? இமெயில்ல இருக்கு. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்டே நான் அதை பார்த்துட்டா மட்டும் தான் நம்ம அந்த ஆக்ஷனை பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ண முடியும்.
சார் ஆக்சுவலி ஃபேஸ்புக்ல வந்து டிஃபால்ட்டா கர்சர் வந்து அங்கேயே இருக்கனால இது வந்து ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகுது. இப்போ வேற வெப்சைட்லாம் வந்து கர்சர் வந்து அங்க இருக்காது, நம்மளா மேனுவலா கொடுக்குற மாதிரி இருக்கும்.
ஒரே நிமிஷம், நீங்க சொல்றது புரியுது. ஸோ அமேசான்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா சர்ச் பாக்ஸ்ல கீ இல்ல, கரெக்டா?
Yes sir.
எஸ் ஆர் நோ? சர்ச் பாக்ஸ்ல கர்சர் இல்ல. நான் இப்ப டாப் கிளிக் பண்றேன். tab and tab. After clicking on 5 tab, it is coming the cursor into the search box. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
So now tell me how we can perform the robot in Amazon.
Using tab.
Yeah, in for loop we can perform 5 tabs. After that the cursor will come to the search box. Okay?
Okay sir.
So where we can use the locator means, let's assume we can't get any locators for the search box, but we need to search any product. We don't have any locators for the search box and we can't find any locators, any elements, but we need to perform searching any product. Okay? So in that time only the robot class will help. It is last recommended.
10 keys work ஆகாத இடத்துல you will be using robot class.
Exactly. Wherever you can't perform sync keys, there you can use robot class.
Hello sir.
சொல்லுங்க
சார். இப்போ டவுட் சார், இப்போ வந்து இதுல வந்து டேப்ல வந்து இந்த சர்ச் பாக்ஸ்ல வந்து அந்த இது வந்து டைரக்டா வந்து ஹிட் பண்ணல சார். இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், மூவ் எலமெண்ட் கொடுத்து அந்த இது வந்து அந்த ஃபீல்டு கிட்ட போக வச்சுட்டு அங்க போய் நம்ம கண்டெஸ்ட் கிளிக் கொடுத்துட்டு நம்ம இந்த இது பண்ணலாமா சார்? அப்பனா
நீங்க மூவ் எலிமெண்ட் பண்ணனும்னாலும் உங்களுக்கு எலிமெண்ட் வேணும், கரெக்ட்டா இல்லையா? XPath வேணும்.
எஸ் சார். ஆமா சார்.
நான் என்ன சொல்றேன், இந்த பாக்ஸ்க்கு நீங்க XPath எடுத்தா மட்டும் தான் you can move to that element. Yes or no?
எஸ் சார்.
இப்போ பாக்ஸ்க்கு XPath இல்லன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? There is no XPath for the box. அப்ப எப்படி நீங்க மூவ் பண்ணுவீங்க? So on that time we are clear? See here.
Okay sir. Okay,
I'm
sir.
just launching the URL. Okay. During the launching URL, there is no cursor in the box. I am pressing tab button 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the 5 tabs, the cursor come to the search box. இப்போ நமக்கு அது லொகேட்டர் இருந்தாலும் இல்லைனாலும் நம்மளால பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ண முடியும்.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, wherever you can't find the locators, please note this point. Wherever you can't find the locators, so in that time the robot class will help. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys, any doubt so far?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So we have completed till robot. Okay, we have completed till robot. The some other topics are like alert, one topic we have,
Your voice is
frames,
distracting,
one
sir.
topic we have. Kekda? Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have completed so far robot class. Okay. So what are the topics we have means we have alert, one topic we have. Okay. Alert, one topic, and frames, Windows handling, JavaScript executor. These are the topics we have, major topics. Okay. We have 4 to 5 topics we have. All right.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Kekda?
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes. So, guys, I have searched all of your doubts. நீங்க எல்லாருமே டவுட் வச்சிருக்கீங்க கரெக்ட்டா? The HDFC is not working, correct? The HDFC is not working. The ICICI
Yes,
is
sir.
not working. In red bus, the validation is not working. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And Flipkart.
Yes. These all the task is under frames. These all task under frame. So don't bother about the failed task like HDFC, ICICI, Redbus for validation, and something like automation testing, demo automation also. You can't find the drop down, right? You can't select any option in the drop down, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In that place, we have one select class. Okay. So someone said, right? In Instagram, I can't perform login. Who said that? Yeah, we can perform login with Instagram. Okay, but I'm just telling you how we can achieve that. So see here, we have Instagram. In which page is it? Okay, don't know whether I have login it or not. Okay, not login. All right, see. So whenever you're opening the Instagram, it is taking some time to load the page. See here, I'm clicking on Instagram. Okay, it is taking some time to load the page. Try with thread.sleep after the URL. Okay, try with thread.sleep after the URL. It will definitely work. Okay, actually I have completed yesterday. I have tried this yesterday. Like we can enter phone number, password, and we can log in. It is achievable.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
It is achievable. Please try from your side.
So how many milliseconds are you using?
How many?
Milliseconds are you using?
That's your point. Like you need to find that. I won't tell that. But
Okay, sir.
I have worked with the code and it is achievable. Instagram is achievable. Okay, because after you guys sending all the tasks which is not achievable, I tried what are the topics. I mean, I just tried what are the topics involved in the task. Okay, so those tasks, right? HDFC, ICICI, Redbus verification and all, we have frames. So yes, that you can't do as of now, but this is achievable. There is no frames here. There is no any JavaScript topics here. It is very simple. Instagram. I think no one is debugged it. Anyone debugged Instagram?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No one debugged, right? Yeah. Why you didn't debug? Whenever you didn't get the output means you need to do the debug, right? Why you didn't debug? If you debug means you can get the output and you understand because of the time issue only it is not working. So please try from your side for Instagram, okay? If you still facing the issue, I will send my code and you can see what are the mistakes you have done.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, shall we go for the interview questions? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So guys, these questions are very important. Okay. Why? Because to be honest, I'm working with Aspire systems for past 3 to 4 years. Okay. So nearly I have taken nearly at least 2 interviews per week. I will take nearly 2 interviews per week. So these are the familiarly asked question in the interviews. Sometimes also like I will attend some interviews to understand what are the questions they are asking. So companies like Wipro, CTS, or some other companies like IBM, Indium, Infosys, I'll just attend interview just to only to know what are the questions they have asking. Okay, so I have a bunch of questions which is really asked in the interview. Okay, so guys, if the meeting is ended, please join with the same link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So today what I'm going to do means I will give some questions. Okay. Please prepare the question. Okay. So tomorrow you guys need to answer by your own.
Okay.
If the
Okay,
answer
sir.
is not, yeah, if the answer is not good means we can correct. We can check whether we can perform any other answer for the question.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow you guys have a, so let's assume tomorrow you guys have interview. Yes, tell me. என்ன சொன்னீங்க?
சார் ஆப்டிடியூட் ரவுண்ட்ல இருக்கும் சார்.
நோ ஆப்டிடியூட்ல இருக்காது. நீங்க எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் போட்டு போறீங்க அப்படின்னா ஆப்டிடியூட்ல இருக்காது.
ஃப்ரெஷருக்கு சார்.
ஃப்ரெஷருக்கு வந்து ஆப்டிடியூட் இருக்கும். அதுக்கு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம் என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு சொல்றேன். நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி தரேன். இப்போ நீங்க ஃப்ரெஷரா நீங்க உங்க நேம் என்ன?
ரியாலுதீன் சார். ஹலோ சார்.
உங்க நேம் என்ன?
ரியாலுதீன் சார்.
ரியாலுதீன். ரியாலுதீன் எந்த இயர் பாஸ் அவுட் நீங்க?
21 சார்.
21. ஓகே ஃபைன். ஸோ ஃப்ரெஷருக்கு ஆப்டிடியூட் இருக்கும். ஸோ வி ஹேவ் ஆப்டிடியூட் ஃபார் ஃப்ரெஷர். When we put some experience means there is no aptitude. Okay. Really, then we will discuss what are the things they will ask in aptitude or not. Okay.
Okay sir.
And one more thing, guys. In Java, how many topics they have covered so far?
Abstraction.
Abstraction. Okay. What about others?
The only till constructor.
Okay, constructor.
Sir,
Okay,
I think
anybody else?
Sir, map.
different batch classes, sir.
Yeah, that is what I'm asking. I mean, the least topic is abstraction, and what are the topics others have completed?
Sir, map.
Map, okay, which means collection you have completed. Okay, next, anything?
Sir, abstractions.
Abstractions, okay.
For me also
Okay.
abstraction.
Sir, data type.
I
Scanner
think
is-
most of the guys, most of the guys are stuck with abstractions, right? சொல்லுங்க.
Oops concept is
Okay, fine.
Sir, inheritance, abstractions completed, polymorphism is completed. Then control statement is completed.
Oops is completed. Control statement is completed for a few guys.
String also
And
completed, sir.
another thing also completed, right?
String array.
Okay. So few people only abstraction only completed. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So I have informed you, Venkatesh, sir, okay? Yes. I have informed the same to Venkatesh sir, and I asked him to have the parallel Java classes to you. So I think from Monday onwards you may have some Java classes. Okay. So if it is not happening, yes, tell me.
I actually sent the list of things that is not done to Venkatesh sir.
Okay, fine.
sir.
I'll take care of it. So if Java classes are still postponing means we can see the Java classes parallelly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, how many
Let's
more
go to the. Sorry.
How many more classes will it take?
For Selenium or for what?
Selenium, sir.
So Selenium, I think we may have 8 classes, something like that.
Okay, sir. I mean, for Java, they told us like 20 classes will be required, but it is more than a month around.
No. See, guys. So after completing the Selenium model, you need to focus on framework and you need to focus on manual testing. There will be 10 hours for manual testing. Okay. they'll completely plan for the Java classes. Okay. I already said you there is a plan for everything. They'll completely plan for it. Okay. If
Okay,
still
sir.
it is postponing, we can see parallelly. I personally asked them to complete the Java topics for you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So anybody having doubt with the classes? No, right?
No, sir.
Okay. So okay, we are going to start the Selenium interview questions. Everyone ready, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So first question, very first question. What is WebDriver? Anybody? What is WebDriver? Guys, what is WebDriver? Okay. Can we create object for the WebDriver?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
No,
Yes, sir.
No. Why?
WebDriver is an interface.
Yeah, this is what I'm expecting. WebDriver is what? WebDriver is an interface. So we can't create object for what? We can't create object for WebDriver. So we are using the subclass called Chrome driver. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, what happened? ஏதாச்சும் ஓடிட்டு இருக்கா மைண்ட்ல? Everyone is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Tell me. All right. So what is WebDriver?
It's an interface.
WebDriver is an interface.
To execute websites. Oh.
Yeah, answer like guys, answer like that you are in interview. So if someone asks me what is WebDriver means, what I will tell you. WebDriver is an
So
interface in
WebDriver
Selenium.
is an interface which do not have its own body. So in order to call it, we create subclasses.
Exactly. So WebDriver is an interface. For the interface, we can't create the object. So that's why we are using the Chrome driver, which is a subclass of interface WebDriver, and we can use the methods of the WebDriver. So here, what we are using, we are using the concept called fully abstraction interface. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Guys, புரியுதா இல்லையா சொல்லுங்க, இல்ல கண்டினியூ பண்ணணும்ல, அதுதான் கேக்குறேன். சொல்லுங்க, புரியுதா இல்லையா?
So
Everyone. So தெய்வானை புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? தெய்வானை, இந்துஜா, நந்தகுமார், நிவேதா, பிரணவ், ரஹ்மான்.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please say yes or no for when I'm asking whether you are understood or not. Okay. Okay. So what is a WebDriver? WebDriver is an interface in Selenium, and what? And we can't create object for the interface.
So it uses subclass called WebDriver.
Yeah. Okay. So now tell me. What are the locators we can use? Now tell me, what are the locators we can use?
ID, name,
Name, class, expert.
class,
Tag name,
class
Okay.
name,
Okay.
partially linked text.
text path,
Text.
CSS selector.
Yes, selector. Okay. So guys, you need to tell the order like ID, name, class name.
Name.
So there is no class and class name separately. ID, name, class name. Okay. XPath.
Tag name, linked
Tag
text.
name, linked text, partial linked text,
CSS.
Clear? So this will be mostly asked question. What are the locators we can use? How? Now tell me how you can construct the XPath.
Double slash
Double
input
slash.
name square bracket.
Sir,
Double slash
name.
tag name.
square bracket
At-
attribute name equal to attribute value in single quote.
Okay. Double slash tag name square bracket
name,
at the rate of
attribute value
single quotation
equal to value.
Yes or no? Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay. After the XPath, what we have seen, how we can create XPath using text. How we can create XPath using text?
So double slash
Find element by XPath.
Tag name
tag name
Tag
square bracket
text
equal to
text
text
open bracket close
Okay.
round bracket
equal to
Now I'll ask one more question. Got it,
text
got it.
value in single quotation.
Okay, fine. Yes, correct. So now I will ask one more question. So whenever we are using, shall we use equals?
yes, sir.
If we are using container, then we shouldn't use equal. Otherwise, we should.
Yeah.
Sir.
Whenever we are using contains, we should not use what? We should not use equals.
Equals.
We should use comma.
Comma.
ஞாபகம் இருக்குல்ல எல்லாருக்கும் அது?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So when we will get no such element exception?
And throws
And the
declaration
right
is
is
not there.
When we will get no such element exception?
Passing invalid locators.
Yeah, whenever we are taking invalid locators. Next.
When we have error,
Sir, time issue, wait issue.
time issue.
Time issue or wait issue? Kudos, guys.
Wait
Kudos,
issue.
kudos. Okay. What's next? Anything else? So you guys are trying to access HDFC, ICICI, everything and all, right? So in that time also you are getting no such element exception, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which means whenever the element is within the frame, ஒரு element அந்த frame குள்ள இருக்குன்னா அந்த element நம்ம find பண்ண try பண்ண வெச்சுக்கோங்களேன், அப்பயும் நமக்கு no such element exception ஆகும். So where are the places we are getting means if the XPath is invalid, we will get no such element exception. If we need to wait for some times and there is a time issue means we will get no such element exception. And after that, if the element is inside the frame means we will get what? No such element exception. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, கடைசி பாயிண்ட் சொன்னீங்க சார். Third point, time issue or wait issue அப்புறம்.
Yeah, when the element is present inside the frame, we will get no such element exception.
Okay, sir.
How we can achieve mouse over activity?
First, we have to create a
using action
object
class,
called actions class.
Okay.
like move to element and drag and drop.
So you guys don't find the element.
First, we'll identify the element, then we use action
First
class.
actions.
Yes, we use actions, that's correct. But before, first we will find the element. After that, we have actions. Actions
sir,
is
yes,
the
sir.
class or interface. Actions is the class or interface.
Class.
Class, sir.
Yes. So whenever we find the element, we use actions class. In actions class, what method we have?
To
Move to element.
Move to element, one method we
Element.
have. Okay.
Sir.
So whenever we are doing actions methods, what we need to declare after the method?
Perform.
Perform, dot perform
What we need
method.
to declare?
Dot
Perform, we need
Perform.
to declare. Any doubt?
sir.
Any doubt?
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now tell me how we can achieve drag and drop.
So we have to first find the
Find
element
element.
and destination, then we should apply a drag and drop
Okay.
action on it.
So now
With
tell me how many element we need to find?
2 elements. Sir.
Two
Two, sir.
elements. What are the elements we need to find?
Source and destination.
Source and destination. So in drag drop method, what we will declare? We will declare the reference of the source element and destination element. So do we declare perform for drag and drop?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is must, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next question is how we can perform normal click and right click.
So we use a normal click. After identifying the element, we use click method for normal click, and we use context click for right click.
Okay, anybody else? Deepak, right? Deepak, please be in mute.
Okay, sir.
Sir, for normal click, we will use click method. For right click, we will use contact.
Exactly. For normal click, we will use click method, and right click use context. So what we are using for double click?
Contest click.
No, sir, double click methods.
A double click method.
Double click method.
What happened, guys? Energy kammiya irukku iniki. What happened? Okay, let's continue with the question. So now tell me how we can perform any action without using locators.
Using robot class.
Using robot.
Robot.
Using robot class, sir.
Okay. So how we can create object? Just tell me robot is
Robot.
new robot. Yeah.
Robot equal to new robot.
Okay. So what are the methods we will use in robot class?
Key press and key release.
Key press and key release.
Key press and
Key release.
Key release.
Key release.
Event.
Okay, we are using key event. You need to tell to the interviewer key event is a static reference. So I'll tell you later what is static reference means. But as of now, you need to understand key event is a static reference. Okay, key event is
Static.
what? Key event is a static reference. Okay. Then how we can print the send keys value in the console?
By
Get
using
value.
get.
Sir, first we have to take the return type of the.
What method we will use?
Get the attributes.
Get
Get value and get attribute.
So guys, you are nearly 15 members. I'm getting voice only for 3 to 4 people. So better everyone please be in mute. I will ask individually. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. All right. Pranav is there.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, Pranav, what is the method we will use to get the values which is centered in the send keys?
Get attributes.
Get attributes. After that, tell me like interview point of view.
So we can use the get attributes method to print the send keys values in the console.
So what we will declare in the get attribute?
The values.
Within a single quote or double quote?
Double quotes.
What is the return type of get attribute?
Return type.
What? Sorry. How we are passing the value in send keys? Double quotes, right?
Yes, sir.
So what will be in double quotes? Double quotes நம்ம pass பண்ணாது என்ன?
String, sir.
So what is the return type of get attribute?
String.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please be in mute. So Nandakumar is there? Nandakumar. What is WebDriver? What is WebDriver? WebDriver and நீ chat box answer போடுங்க நந்தகுமார்.
Okay.
Chat box போடுங்க. Yeah. So next one, Shruti. Shruti is there? Shruti is there? Okay, you can drop the answer for what are the cases we can have no such element exception. No problem. You can drop the answer in what are the cases we will get no such element exception. Okay, just drop me the answer. So next one is Sudarshan. Sudarshan is there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Sudarshan. So how we can find what error is occurring in the program?
By seeing the console.
Okay. So I need to understand how to resolve the issue. So for that I need to do step-by-step execution. How we can do step-by-step execution?
By debugging, sir.
By debugging. So for debugging, the first thing we need to do what?
We have to select line number
Okay.
First we have to know first we have to see the console and
Okay.
which line is error we have to see.
Okay.
Then we have to take the line number before that error occurs.
Okay.
Then we have to double click on the line number.
Okay.
Blue color button will be appears the line number.
Okay.
Then we have to run the debug.
Okay.
Then after that, by pressing F6, that
Okay.
action will be step over, sir.
Excellent, Sudarshan. Nice one. Okay. So.
Then each line you can check and finish the debug.
All right. Yeah. Nice one. Nice one. So you can mute yourself.
Yes.
So Shruti answered like when we get the time issue or weight issue problem for invalid locators, and whenever the element is inside the frame, we get no such element exception. So exactly, Shruti, that is right one. Okay. So Indija is there. Indija is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Indija. So I need to move to one element. Okay, and I need to right click on that element. How we can perform? First thing is I need to move to one element and I need to right click on that.
Robot plus.
I need to move to one element and I need to right click. Move to element. கொஞ்சம் நோட்ஸ் செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க.
Using actions.
Yeah, using what? Using action. What method we will use to move to element? The method itself, move to element. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So right click, what method we will use? Please check the notes. Right click, what the method we will use? For right click, we use context method. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one. Ashok is there. Okay, Ashok. Ashok, I need the answer. How we can construct a XPath. Okay, how we can construct a XPath. Please ping me the answer. So Niveda is there. Niveda is there.
Yes.
Okay, Niveda, your internet connection is not that much good. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now tell me, okay, I have one text box. So we can't take any XPath for the text box. என்கிட்ட ஒரு text box இருக்கு. அந்த text boxல வந்து எனக்கு எந்த டெக்ஸ்ட்டுமே எந்த XPathமே எடுக்க முடியல. ஓகேங்களா? So நான் பேஜ்ல இருந்து 3 times tab click பண்ணாதான் எனக்கு அந்த text box cursor move ஆகும். Okay, which means what class we can use?
Sir, robot class.
Robot class, how we can create object for robot class?
Sir, robot class equal to new robot and the statement use panni.
Okay. So what are the methods we will use in robot class? Two method we are using, right?
So key press,
Key press and
key release.
key release. Okay. So we need to click on the tab for 3 times. So number 3 time and then the code or else we can write in a for loop. What we can do? We can put it in a for loop, right? If the same action repeating 3 times means
Looping statement use பண்றோம் sir. For loop.
yes, exactly. Okay, you can mute yourself. So Kamal Hassan is there? So Kamal Hassan,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah, you can tell me how we can use contains with text for export. Contains with text. If it is not comfortable, you can drop the message in chat box. How we can write the export using contains and text.
Content. Function. Function. Function with export. Function with export expression, sir.
ஆமா எக்ஸ்பாத் வந்து நான் கண்டென்ட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணி எக்ஸ்பாத் எடுக்கணும்.
Yes, sir.
எனக்கு அதுக்கான சின்டெக்ஸ் வந்து எனக்கு டிராப் பண்றீங்களா, மெசேஜ்ல டிராப் பண்றீங்களா?
Okay.
Okay, so you can mute yourself. Rahman is there?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just locating one element using text XPath. Text XPath use பண்ணி ஒரு element நான் locate பண்றேன். ஓகேங்களா? I need to print the text in the console. What method we can use? Yes.
Clear, sir. Voice clear already, sir.
Okay, can you hear me now clearly?
Okay, sir. Okay. Hello.
Yeah. So I having one export. கேக்குதா?
கேக்குதுங்க sir.
Okay. So I'm using one text XPath. Okay, I'm finding one element using text XPath. And the text வந்து நான் console, and the text வந்து நான் console print பண்ணனும். What method we can use?
The text method.
What method?
Text method.
Yeah.
Double dash.
What method we are using? Method.
So locating with text.
Yes, we will locate the text and how we can print the text in console. We are using one method.
Partial text.
No. We are using get text one method. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So guys, please revise every time. Okay. ஒரு டாபிக் முடிஞ்சதும் ஒரு டாபிக் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே டாபிக் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு, நம்ம 5th டேல இருக்கனா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே டாபிக்ஸ் வந்து ரிவைஸ் பண்ண கூடாதுலாம் கிடையாது. Okay, we should revise.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So Devana is there? Yeah, you can mute yourself. Devana is there? Okay, Jai Srinath is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jai Srinath, tell me what are the locators we have in Selenium?
Sir, ID, name, class, XPath, text partial, CSS selectors.
Okay. அந்த டெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து லிங்க் டெக்ஸ்ட், பார்ஷியல் லிங்க் டெக்ஸ்ட்னு சொல்லலாம். ஓகேங்களா? மத்த எல்லாமே கரெக்ட். பட் டெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் லிங்க் டெக்ஸ்ட் அண்ட் பார்ஷியல் லிங்க் டெக்ஸ்ட்.
Partial text. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So anybody is not covered?
Sir Vijay.
Okay.
So Deepak.
Deepak, you have already answered, Deepak. So you need to tell me How we can declare the wait time? How we can declare the wait time?
Thread dot sleep inside the bracket. We can give milliseconds.
Okay. So in thread or sleep, when we declare the thread or sleep, it will accept a.
No, sir. It shows errors. Then right click. No.
Yeah, we need to move the
Add.
cursor to the add throws declaration. Exactly.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Anybody else? So whenever we are using robot class, we will throw one exception. How we can rectify the exception? நம்ம robot class object create பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு error வருதுல. How we can rectify it? How we can resolve it? So just move the cursor to the robot class and we can add throws declaration. Yes or no? மஞ்சள் எப்படி கொடுக்கலாம் தானே robot class நமக்கு error throw ஆகுச்சுன்னா நம்ம cursor வந்து robot class கிட்ட கொண்டு போயிட்டு add throw declaration கொடுத்தா error resolve ஆயிடும்ல. Yes or no? Yes, right? Okay. So guys, everyone copied the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. 1 minute. So take one more question. How we can perform wait so guys, I will again ask this question to everyone. Okay, so please copy these questions. Okay, I will again ask these questions to everyone.
Sure, sir.
So far we have covered some topics. So this is the minimum questions. Okay, this is not maximum questions. This is the minimum question we can have in the topic, and we can discuss the same question again. So I will expect the clear answers. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now interest கொடுக்கவே மாட்டேன். I need a clear answer from everyone. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Oh, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
everyone copied, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys, just let's go to the attendance. So, but guys, to be honest, you guys are doing some good answers, but I need more clear answers from your side. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Ashok is there? Yes, Ashok is there. One minute, guys. Okay, Ashok is there? Okay, Ashok is there. Deepak,
Yes, sir. Deepak is there.
Devani,
Yes, sir.
Induja,
Yes, sir.
Jay Srinath,
Yes, sir.
Kamal Hassan. Yes, Kamal Hassan is there. Nandakumar is also there. Pranav is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Rahman is there, right? Prashant is there. I think he is leave today. He informed me.
Yes, sir.
Prashant is not there. Yeah, Prashant is not there. Okay. So Riyaluddin is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Shruti is there. Sudarshan is there. Vijayalakshmi is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Manjari is there and Niveda is also there. Okay, fine,
Yes,
guys. So some people, I know that you guys understand the logics, but you can't make a good answer. But hereafter we are going to ready for everything. Okay, you need to make some answers. நீங்க கோட் எழுதிடுவீங்களா? ஓகேங்களா? நீங்க வந்து கோட் எழுத சொன்னா we can write the codes, but whenever we need to answer to the interviewer, we should give some clear informations. Okay, so from here itself we can prepare the clear answers for all the questions. Okay, I will tell you what are the points we need to tell for every questions. Okay, we will discuss that and we will clear it out. அப்ப நம்ம இன்டர்வியூ போகும்போது we can answer very strongly. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
I say okay, right? Okay, guys, you have issues with few things, right? What are that? HDFC, ICICI, Redbus clear, Redbus verification, and yeah, these things are within the frames. Okay, so guys, that's why we can't get any output for that. After completing frames we can get the output for that, but please try Instagram. I need output from all of you guys for Instagram. Okay, Instagram is
Okay, sir.
working.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Instagram is working. You can try the wait, you can try the thread or slip after the URL. After the URL you can try thread or slip. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Guys, shall we have this kind of interview questions frequently? This kind of sessions frequently? Is that fine to
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Fine.
Okay, guys. Yeah.
Sir,
That's all
Sir,
for
one
the day.
more, sir.
சொல்லுங்க.
சார் அந்த இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் எது சொன்னீங்களேங்க சார், அது இன்னொரு டைம் சொல்ல முடியுமா?
இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் வெப்சைட் இருக்குல்ல, அது உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே
ஆமாங்க
வரல கரெக்டா? நீங்க டீபக் பண்ணி பாத்தீங்களா எல்லாரும்? கண்டிப்பா
Sir, no,
பண்ணலாம்னு
sir.
நினைக்கிறேன். டீபக் பண்ணா
நோ சார்.
டீபக் பண்ணிருந்தா ஒர்க் ஆகும். நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், எப்ப போனா உங்களுக்கு வந்து எக்ஸ்பெக்டட் அவுட்புட் கிடைக்கல, டீபக் தானே பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கேன்.
ஆமாங்க
ஸோ ஒன்றும் இல்லை, அது வந்து ஆக்சுவலா ஒரு வெயிட் டைம் இஷ்யூ தான். ஓகேங்களா, யூஆர்எல் வந்து லான்ச் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு 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 சம் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் டைம் வந்து அது வெயிட் பண்ணுது, லோட் ஆக டைம் எடுக்குது. ஸோ அதனாலதான் வந்து இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் ஒர்க் ஆகல. வெயிட் டைம் பாஸ் பண்ணி பாருங்க. யூஆர்எல் லான்ச் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் த்ரெட் டாட் ஸ்லிப் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்க, அது ஒர்க் ஆகும்.
ஓகேங்க சார்.
Okay, so guys,
Okay.
if you guys facing any other program issues, just let me know the question number and the day, I mean which day task and the question number. Okay, Ashok, please message. Okay, Ashok, after this meeting you can call me. Okay, all right, so please try a task. If something you didn't get now, let me know. I will check whether the topic is covered or not, and I will let you know the topic is covered or not. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So guys, kindly practice and kindly ready for the interview. We have maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow we have interview, and these are the interview questions. I think no interviewer will leak the question, but you have the questions now. Please be ready for the interview. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.